All right, guys, here we go. 2018-19 Dominion Basketball 2-box break number 3 from eBay. Tony with the Hawks and the Kings. Kevin D, Celtics, Bulls, Cavs, Pacers, Magic, Jazz, and Raptors. Chandra with the Nets. Thomas with the Nuggets, Heat, and Blazers. Nick B with the Hornets, Pistons, and Bucks. Vicky with the Warriors. Derek with the Rockets, Timberwolves, and 76ers. Srood with the Clippers and Grizzlies. Oh, where am I at? Lucas with the Thunder. Alicia with the Pelicans. Cody with the Lakers. Donta with the Knicks. Jason with the Suns and Spurs. Rob with the Wizards. And Don C with the Mavericks. Appreciate you picking them up, Don. All right, we went down the team list. It's time to see some cards. We are doing Dominion again Saturday night on eBay. Just in case we have any more quad autos or dual autos or anything, they're separate teams. It takes 51% to have majority of the card. Just so everybody knows up front. All right, let's do this. Box number 1. Good luck, everybody. Let me get some sleeves out. We'll be ready to roll. For the Warriors, 34 of 75, Steph Curry. Ooh, nice. For the Cavs, Colin Sexton, main exhibit auto, 28 of 49 for the Cavs. Nice card, Mr. Kevin. $38 of 199 jersey auto for the Clippers, Jerome Robinson. Main exhibit auto for the Bucks, Jason Terry. That one is 38 of 49. Metal card for the Hornets, Devontae Graham, 89 of 199. And Nurkic for the Trailblazers to 75. Sleeves are like not wanting to open. And that is box number 1. Second box. /75 for the Grizzlies, Mike Conley. /75 of 75 for the Cavs, Kyle Korver. Dual auto for the Lakers, Norm Nixon, Jamal Wilkes, 4 of 10. Redemption. Rookie jersey autograph for the 76ers, Landry Shamet. For the Suns, 14 of 49. Okobo, 14 of 49 for the Suns. And Josh Okogie metal card, 158 of 199 for the Timberwolves. Recap, metal card, Okogie. Auto, Okobo for the Suns. Shamet redemption. Dual auto for the Lakers, Wilkes and Nixon. Kyle Korver. Mike Conley. Nurkic. Devontae Graham metal card. Main exhibit, Jason Terry for the Bucks. Jerome Robinson for the Clippers. Colin Sexton for the Cavs. And Steph Curry for the Warriors. All right, guys, that does it for this one. Appreciate you guys filling this one up. Thanks. It is much appreciated. Thanks a lot, and I will see you guys tomorrow.